So here we've got a course created with Moodle, and we've got a menu to the left, and I'm in this view logged in as an administrating teacher. So this is the menu you get when you are an administrator and can add and delete different modules. And you also have a list to the right, or a menu to the right, with latest news, upcoming events and recent activities. But this is a new test course with just some test in it, so there is no upcoming events and recent activities just yet. So to the left here we've got the people menu, the activities menu, the search forums menu, and the administration menu with this, which is the one you use the most when you are creating a course. So the participants lists just show you a list of the people participating in the course and when they last logged on. The forums will get you to a threaded discussion forum where you can ask questions, and where you as a teacher or administrator of the course can answer, or other students can answer the questions or participate in the discussion. And resources, you get a list of all the resources on the course, and it's the same list you get when you click on the plus sign here on the first page, and you get a list of the resources. But here you also are able to add additional resources to each resource. So you could add a text page, or a web page, or link to a file or a website that should have something to do with this assignment 1A. Or you can add an activity, which could be, for example, just a single file, or a chat, or hot potato quiz, which is a quick and dirty quiz, a blog, or a wiki as well. And if we look at the administration menu, the first choice is turn editing off, and that simply just removes the editing option to the different assignments, and you see a more dense list with the different topics and resources of the course. If you click on settings, you can edit different settings. You can change the name, the short name of the course. You can choose which format the course should be in, or rather which way the course should be structured. You could use standards like SCORE, which is a technical standard using XML for encoding the different resources in a learning management system, so that it's easier to integrate with other systems using SCORM. You could use the social format, which is more or less focused around a debate board, so it's focusing on just social interaction, and you get a special structure. The topics format is organized into different topics section, so each topic section get a different headline, and the different topic sections are then consisting of different activities, as shown before. You could change the number of weekly topics that should be shown. The course start date is set. You could have hidden sections that could be just collapsed or completely invisible, if you want a section that's just available for teachers, how many news items to be shown, if the grade books to students should be visible or not, if activity reports should be shown for students as well, that is, how many students have downloaded different resources, or how many have looked at a certain page in Moodle. The maximum upload size, 500 megabytes, is the maximum for sizes of files to be uploaded in this particular course. If it's a meter course, for instance, if you have set up a Moodle course that should be sort of a meter course for an entire program, then you could choose that as well. Or if it's just a regular course, as in this case, just say no. You could have a plugin for the local environment if one is created. If you have a student administration system here in Sweden, we have one that is almost used by all universities called Lodoc. So if you have a plugin that can connect the student database that is already in Lodoc to Moodle, then you can choose that there, and you can make the course enrollable or not, or enrollable just in a date range, and also choose if enrollment should expire and if they should be notified. You can create groups in the course where groups of students get a certain name. How the course should be available, if the language should be forced or not, you can choose yourself if you want Moodle in your local language. For instance, if you're from French, you can choose it in French, or if you want to enforce English, you just chose enforce English. And you can rename the different roles that you can have on the course. As I said in the beginning, I am now logged in as an administrator, so if you for some reason would want to change that, you could do that here, and also the other different roles that are the teacher, non-editing teacher, student guest, and so on. And if we keep looking in the menu, we have assign role, where you can assign someone in the course to get another role. It could be a student that should maybe help and get an editing role or an administrative role. In grades, there are no assignments handed in this test course to be graded, but in this module you grade the different assignments handed in by the students. In groups, you create groups by creating the groups, and then when there are students participating in the course, this box here will be populated with the members of the group, and you can assign different members to the groups that you have created. You can create a backup, and that's just a backup of all the resources, all the PDAs, the PDFs and Word documents and that so on that you uploaded. The personal information about students and so on will not be backed up, so it's just the files that are backed up and stored locally on the server that the Moodle is running on, and you can restore from a backup point. And you can also import if you have another Moodle course that you have used with resources that you want to reuse, or a structure you want to reuse. You could import the structure or just certain files from that other course, and you can reset it to the original state that it was in when the course was created. You can generate different reports, live log reports, which you see who has been logged on from what IP number the past hour. You can get an activity report where you see the different activities on the course and how many people that have been looking at the different activities, and it's ordered into the different topics, and also when it was last accessed. And under questions, you can create different questionnaires if you want to make a questionnaire, so the students can check if they have understood what they're supposed to understood thus far. For instance, under files you get a long list of all the files. In this case the list will just look like this, but if you have many files you can get a list of the entire file. If you don't want to continue to participate in the course, you just click on unenroll me from this course, and under profile you just get the information about you, your name, your email address, and when you started the course and when you last accessed the course. And at the top of the screen you can choose to switch roles, so you can see how it looks from a student perspective. So choosing student will make this administration menu disappear if you want to see how it looks for students. So you have the participants list for students, the forums and the resources list or menu under activity, and these are the current resources. If you click on a PDF document, for instance, you get the option to download it, and if you click on the video, then you will be sent to the video page, and you can look at it immediately. You can search the forums, and if you have assignments that have been graded, then you will get a summary of your assignments and the grades and the profile. And at the bottom you have your courses, so if you were to have more courses that you were enrolled to, you could see them there here by clicking on all courses. So this was a quick tour of Moodle with a Moodle course as an example. If you want to learn more about Moodle or about how to use and install Moodle, you just go to moodle.org and you get to this page, and you have some more information here about Moodle and how to use it and how to install it.